In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Leaderboard on Duolingo. If you enjoy learning without the pressure of weekly leagues or public rankings, this walkthrough will show you the exact place to turn off that visibility so you can focus on your lessons. First, open a web browser and go to duolingo.com learn. Make sure you're signed into the account you use for your courses, since the setting will change as tied to your profile. On the left side of the screen, move your mouse over the option labeled More. This opens a small panel with additional site options that aren't on the main learning page. From that panel, click Settings. This takes you to your account controls where profile, notifications, and privacy options live. Inside Settings, choose Privacy Settings. This page manages who can see your activity and how your profile interacts with social features like friends and leagues. Look for the option called Make My Profile Public. When this is turned on, your activity and progress can appear in social surfaces, including the league's leaderboard. To remove yourself from leaderboards, we'll change this to private. Toggle. Make my profile public to off, and then click Save Changes. Don't skip the save. If you navigate away without saving, the toggle will revert and you'll still be enrolled in leagues. After saving, your account becomes private, which means you won't participate in weekly leaderboards or compete for promotions. If the toggle was already off, you're already opted out. It's important to know there isn't a single button that says Disable Leagues in Duolingo. The platform doesn't offer a direct on-off switch for leaderboards. Instead, updating this privacy setting is the supported way to remove yourself from leagues. That's why we went through the privacy settings page and switched your profile from public to private. Depending on the version of the interface, you may see a small confirmation banner after saving. The change is account-specific and syncs across devices, so once your profile is private on the web, the app will honor it too. Interface labels can move around with redesigns, but the flow, more, settings, privacy, then the public profile toggle, stays the same. To recap, you visited Duolingo, opened the More menu on the left, went into Settings, then Privacy Settings, found Make My Profile Public, and turned it off before saving. From here, you can learn at your own pace without the leaderboard pressure. If you ever want to rejoin leagues, simply revisit the same setting and turn your profile back to public.